Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about a spice that's been cherished for centuries, ginger. If you're over the age of 50, ginger can be especially beneficial for your health. Stick around as we explore 5 incredible health benefits of ginger for those in their golden years. As we age, joint pain and inflammation can become common issues. But did you know ginger has natural anti-inflammatory properties? Studies show that ginger can help reduce pain and improve mobility, especially in conditions like osteoarthritis. A warm cup of ginger tea could be just what your joints need. Digestive issues can become more frequent as we get older, but ginger is here to help. Ginger is known to soothe the digestive tract, reduce bloating, and help with nausea. Whether it's adding fresh ginger to your meals or sipping on ginger tea, your stomach will thank you. As we age, our immune system can use all the support it can get. Ginger is rich in antioxidants and has been shown to boost the immune system, helping your body fight off illnesses more effectively. Adding ginger to your diet could be a simple way to stay healthier year-round. Heart health becomes increasingly important as we age, and ginger can play a role in keeping your heart in great shape. Ginger has been found to help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, both of which are key factors in reducing the risk of heart disease. A little ginger a day can go a long way in protecting your heart. Last but certainly not least, ginger may help keep your mind sharp. Some studies suggest that ginger can enhance cognitive function and protect against age-related decline. Incorporating ginger into your diet might just be a natural way to boost your brain power as you age. So there you have it. 5 amazing health benefits of ginger for those over 50. Whether you're looking to ease joint pain, support digestion, boost your immune system, protect your heart, or keep your mind sharp, ginger is a simple and natural way to enhance your health. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and recipes. See you next time.